Hey guys, let me get the camera working. Just saw that huge pump on right here when it started going up. Still at 17,450 thereabout. Decided to come and do the live stream. It moved very quickly. So this may be the breakout that I was talking about yesterday. Let's see if it works this time. Okay. Get my camera working. There we go. Awesome. Where are the lines that we drew yesterday? We had drawn some lines yesterday on these charts. Okay. So what we're looking at is the continuation of this kind of pretty intense, pretty explosive beginning of a breaking out of this range where we've been in. So it has been consolidating. It consolidated into this channel. So we have this somewhat of a channel here. Okay, that's not it. And now it started breaking. And we were talking yesterday about that high that we had here and how this is closing. How this local high was broken yesterday. We were attempting to go higher, but it just hovered around this area for a while, came back down, tested the blue line. It held for a while, but now it looks like the S&P was helping out too. So we had the same thing that we had yesterday, but this time with the S&P. And this is what caused that breakout just now, for that pump above the high. So again, like we had yesterday with with ADA and with BTC, this was a local high, and it attempted to break it. And it did just a few minutes ago. Let's go to the 5-minute chart just to see. All right, so 2 bars back, that's what happened. And this is exactly when we had this big pump. BTC seemed to be leading the way because this happened at 1805, the big one up. And in the S&P, yeah, it did start. at the same time. The S&P was leading the way. It started with this green bar here. Yep. This is, I think it's going to keep going, guys. We broke the high. This one up here now. And let's see if we get that violent pump that I was expecting yesterday. Again, I don't advise short-term trading. I know I'm an investor. You need to invest for 1, 3 years, 5 year time horizon. Anything less than that, you're just gambling. It's cool to see these price movements. It's cool to look at the charts and and get excited and think how much money we could be making if we were trading with leverage and all that stuff. But hey, that's just it's just a fantasy. Don't do it. And I'm serious about that. Now, ADA is not following through today. It's not leading the pack. So, what I was telling you guys yesterday is that lately ADA has been very conservative. It only pumps when it is a confirmed move. So it was easier to do technical analysis on ADA because it wasn't giving us that much noise. So right now, Bitcoin is pumping, and the fact that ADA is not is reason for concern. Because lately ADA has been moving along with actual moves. When it's a significant move, ADA will go along with it. So S&P is not confirming the break. It went slightly above and now it's under that line. We need to see S&P over that line, and we need to see BTC cross that blue line as well, with determination. And ADA, no, ADA, I think is a telltale of what's going on. Now ADA is not falling for it. ADA is not falling for that trade. Okay, let's hope we don't have just another boring day, right? Because I'm thinking this will continue the move higher, have some violent move all the way, $1,000 up for BTC. Where are the lines that I drew yesterday? Okay. Where's Jordan Cameron and all these live YouTubers that have actual music in the background while trading? If one of them is on, I'll just like log off and go. We can all go watch them. Let's see if somebody's trading this move right now. Again, I'm not a trader. I don't advise anyone to day trade or short-term trade or any sort of trading. Investing is cool. Trading is bad. What's the difference? The time horizon. Okay, so we have some pumpage in ADA. This is just cool for entertainment purposes, right? I don't trade any of this. It's just, there's still a degen inside of me that looks at these things and thinks how cool it would be. But no, I've lost too much money, and I suggest all you kids that are coming into the crypto markets right now because you saw some YouTuber that's making millions of dollars. It's fake. It's all a lie. I know you guys think it's real. Trading is fake. Trading is fake as heck. No one makes money trading. I'm serious about this. No one makes money trading. Maybe like 1 in a million makes money. Show me someone that has 200 trades in a row and show me the progression in each single trade, how many trades they win, how many trades they lose, how much they made in each single trade. They're all fake. They're fake. They see these other YouTubers and they want to be like that, and they think there's something wrong with them, and that the next trade they're going to learn, and the next trade they're going to learn, the next trade they're going to learn. Believe me, it's all fake. Been there, done that, tried it, started trading when I was well, year 2000. Let me put it that way. I started trading in the year 2000. It's 2023. You can add that up. It's fake. It's all a lie. All these YouTubers, 18-year-old millionaires, they got lucky, got one trade in Bitcoin, and now they have millions of dollars, right? They make money from other investments. Because look at all these guys, they've been losing money like crazy the last year in trading. Like, what's the name of that guy? The TMI? No, that's not TMI. TMI is actually a good YouTuber. Many of these guys are just losing money. Okay, Cardano. Okay. Let's go to the 5 minute. Where's the S&P? Okay, S&P looks good. Just have to confirm this. Keep going. Okay, let's see. YouTuber is actual YouTuber with actual subscribers is live. Nobody's live. Like, what the heck? Man. I mean, you have a couple of YouTubers, but they don't have any commentary. They just show the charts 24 hours. I mean, that doesn't make any sense. You want to, you know, talk to people, chat with people. Yeah, so S&P is breaking out. So again, it's not the S&P that's breaking out. It's the dollar that's breaking down, right? The dollar's collapsing against everything. Against Bitcoin, against ADA, right? Because what do all these markets have in common? The dollar, right? It's not that, oh, there's a correlation. The correlation is the dollar. It's the common denominator. Guess what? Let's go to NASDAQ. Oh, big surprise. It's also going up. Okay, let's see any other thing that's denominated in dollars, right? Hmm. Gold is not up. It's may go a little bit up. It's just kind of just stagnant there. It's been stagnant. But in general, it's the dollar that's going down. That's the common denominator that we have here. For you guys, you ETH followers, ETH looks good. ETH looks good. Okay, let's see if this is the big one. Whatever happened to the lines that I drew yesterday? Well, I guess I must have erased them or something. These are the same charts. So what are we looking as far as targets here? Well, I have a 10-year target, so my 10-year target is in the moon. And as I said yesterday, I'm looking at at very exaggerated numbers. So never trade by me or anything. So I'm thinking we're going to test this high here. There's an 18,500 line drawn on the chart. It's an old line that I had drawn. Why had I drawn that line? Right, it has to do with this area, multi-year, on the left-hand side of the screen. December, November 2020. And is it the high of a prior? It's just a general high area. It's not the actual high of 2018. It's a general area. And it's a good round number, which also coincides to our bottom here, the bottom that we had in this consolidation range up until November. I guess you could call it somewhat of a consolidation. See, it's a consolidation if you have the same, the lows and the highs start getting tighter. So you have a low here, a high here. The next low is somewhat tighter. The high is somewhat tighter. It's not, there's better consolidations, the ones that actually look like a triangle. That's like perfect consolidation. But yes, it is consolidating. It was consolidating around that area, and I want to get at least to that 20,000 level. I just want this to just go up and just stay in this 20,000 level, right? Get to the 20,000 area and keep consolidating here. Maybe a little bit lower, go up, and then a little bit lower. Start getting a little bit of strength, and then just continue on a multi-year bull run. See, people talk about crypto having its halvings and its cycles. Eventually everything is going to be built in. We're already getting symptoms of that, where the 4-year halving is not having the effects as that it should. It's more tamed. So eventually we're just going to see just dollar. I would think dollar losing purchasing power and just cryptos going up. So let's get a little bit closer because we're on the daily time frame. Let's check out the 15-minute. Yeah, I guess this market's still full of pussies. Let's see. Oh my gosh. Pussy market. Yeah, let's just wait a few more minutes to see if we get that explosive break to the upside, right? That's why am I saying that? Because we had this high yesterday. We came with momentum, broke it. Now we basically did the same thing, a continuation of the trend. So if you see, we're having this little trend to the upside. Let's go to the 15-minute chart. I see this trend thing that we have here. Notice it's a little bit parabolic. It's a little bit parabolic. The curve, the beginning of the parabolic curve is there. Right? So that's what I'm looking at, some explosive move. Ugh. And maybe even spike here to the 20. and just come down and hover around this area. Let me zoom out a little bit to see what area I was showing you guys just a minute ago. Let's go to the 4 hour. Yeah, maybe even higher, and just consolidate here. Just go look a little bit lower, lower, and then we'll see what happens. We'll see if we have another test to the bottom, or we just break out. But for now, this is what I'm thinking. I know it's positive thinking. I'm not trading this, guys. There's no trading here. It's just playing with the charts. But that's what I'm looking at this chart for. I'm looking for that explosive reaction to the 20K, at least to the 18,380, $1,000 move that I was mentioning yesterday. Okay, guys, I think that's it for this live stream. Well, that's what I'm looking forward to. We got that BTC kind of hovering around that area. ADA started looking good, but nothing. And S&P is chickening out. Like, come on, like really do it. Yeah. Well, let's see what happens. It may still happen. I'm just gonna keep monitoring this. Thank you, guys. Have a good day. Crypto Origins signing out.